Peter Cockcroft.
Good afternoon. Just when you thought it was safe to venture outside and seek a bargain in the winter sales, we've got this lot coming in from the Atlantic, and we're going to find a right royal battle across the British Isles between that cold Christmas air and milder Atlantic air coming in. But not yet. That's not for today or tomorrow. I think those weather fronts are going to be held out to the west, and it's going to stay cold and most places will be dry. Although the winds will freshen up in the west as those weather systems start to edge in, and we're also going to find a fair breeze blowing across southeastern parts of England. Now, it is going to be very cold this afternoon, particularly up in the Highlands of Scotland, where I think temperatures will find it difficult to get up to around about -6°C, and last night they got down to -14 degrees. But down through this central section there will be some breaks in the cloud, a bit of sunshine coming through. The thicker cloud in the east will bring one or two wintry showers with it, and that thicker cloud, you may have noted out to the west, will bring some outbreaks of light rain, perhaps even some sleet mixed in with that. And then tonight we could find that cloud pushing in a little bit further from the west. It could bring some sleet and snow to the West Country moors, some snow up over the Welsh mountains, some snow as well just edging into the western side of Scotland. And on the eastern side of the country, still that thicker cloud, still some wintry showers merging together. I think we could find quite a bit of snow up on the North York moors, the Lincolnshire wolds, and even a covering of snow across parts of East Anglia and South East England by the end of the night. No chance of a snowflake or two in London. But underneath these clearer skies in the central section, there's likely to be some patchy freezing fog to watch out for. Even so, it is going to be a very cold night everywhere, particularly up in Highland Scotland. A severe frost, temperatures once again getting down to -10°C or even lower. And do watch out for ice on untreated roads tonight. Now on Boxing Day, a lot of bright weather around up through that central section again, but we will find that cloud still in the east, still some wintry showers there. We will find the clouds still in the west, but I think that rain and sleet will die out for a time before more of it moves in across Northern Ireland later on in the day. And once again, it is going to be a very cold day across the British Isles. So that cold Christmas weather continuing, that is until Tuesday, and that's when things really start to happen as that mild air starts to edge in behind that Atlantic weather front. So it's going to start off cold and frosty in the east, a lot of bright weather, some freezing fog patches, and then the winds will increase in the west, the cloud will thicken up, we'll find some sleet and snow on the forward edge of that rain. I think we're going to find quite a bit of snow falling up over the Pennines, the Cumbrian Fells, and quite a lot of snow to come up over the Highlands of Scotland during Tuesday. Eventually, later on in the day, we'll find the sleet and snow turning back to rain from the west. But I think that is going to be quite a slow process. And as I said, from about the North Midlands northwards, quite a lot of snow to come there. Also windy weather arriving during Tuesday behind that Atlantic weather front. And you'll see through the rest of the week, strong westerly winds, blustery westerly winds for Wednesday, Thursday and for Friday. Now we are going to have a weather system crossing the country during Wednesday, and that'll bring some cloud and rain with it. But those strong winds will persist right the way through the second half of the week. So there's that cloud and rain crossing the country. Once that's pushed through, brighter weather coming along with blustery showers. Most of those showers will be in the north and west, and right up over Northern Ireland, northwestern Scotland, they'll turn increasingly wintry once that